Hey Team Creator, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to be giving you an update on my veneers from Shiny Smile Veneers. This is long overdue, but guys, it was not my fault. This was a bit of a journey. Just to give you a few more tips from my original video, if you need to check out how to do your impressions, I will link that video in the description below. Guys, I will tell you, when I did my impressions, I initially did them. You do have to hold your fingers in the front, but you need to press all the way up to get that indentation so that they can make sure they fit your teeth. So I did have to do my bottom veneer impression 2 additional times. I was not happy about it, guys. I did not get to have my veneers for the event that I ordered them for, but that's okay. So I'm gonna advise you that if you're gonna order veneers, be ready for the long haul. You will not get them in 6 to 8 weeks, probably not 2 to 3 months. It has taken a while. I will also advise you that I did get 1 kit free. I had to actually purchase the second kit when I had to redo them. They were generous enough to give me the first kit. The second one I did have to purchase myself. Also, guys, when you do your impressions, you get a box that has 4 different molds in it and 4 different mixtures to do your impression. If you check out my video, like I said, you'll understand this better. So if you haven't watched that one, be sure to watch that one first. But anyway, I got tired of having to send mine in by doing 1 impression, so I used all 4 of my kits. So I sat down, when I redid it that second time, I used all 4, and I was like, you know what, one of these have to come out right, and it did. So I got an email. I'll show you a screenshot of what my email looks like here. I got an email saying your impressions have been accepted. Your veneers will be on the way soon. So guys, we are at this day. Here are my veneers. We're going to jump right into the video and get started. Also, I owe you guys a big thank you for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I said I was going to do an Amazon giveaway of $50. So I have my names here. So stay to the end because I am going to draw my names at the end of this video. So jumping in, guys, this is the packaging it came in. The impression box was blue. This box is white. I am so excited. They have some care instructions here. Some tabs, it looks like, to clean my veneers, and a toothbrush as well. And let's see, guys, I got 1 little kit, so I assume both are in this 1 box, and they are, guys. I don't know if you guys can see them. This is white, that is white. Let me just take one out and hold it against my hand so you can see it. Now guys, off the back, this makes me a little nervous because they are literally like a plastic. So they are fragile. I can tell you're gonna have to be careful with these. I've already brushed my teeth. My teeth are already clean. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slide these in. I think this is the top. They look very small. I did not realize my teeth were this tiny. I'm gonna slide it in and see how they go. Now maybe that's actually the bottom. It's a shame I don't know my own teeth. Nope, yeah, this is the top. Okay, so here we go, guys. Oh good. Okay, guys, so so right off the back, they snapped on like that. I can see what people mean by when they say they feel like saliva will get caught in the mold, but it actually has a pretty tight seal. It is something you're gonna have to get used to because there's a lisp, but they feel very smooth. They're not hurting me. I don't have any uncomfortable spots, so they did polish them well. So if you guys can see that, that's how they look. Now I'm using my back camera to record, so I can't see myself, so I'm gonna look. Oh my goodness, guys, I love them. They are so cute. So before I pop in my bottom, you can look at the difference in the My teeth are actually pretty white naturally. I brush with peroxide all the time. I'm a really careful person with my hygiene with my mouth, but you can still see there's much more yellow on my teeth than they are with the veneers. People always say do the tissue test. Usually when I do it, I'm like, okay, my teeth are pretty white, but this compares nothing to the veneers. So I'm loving them already. My list with talking is not bad. I can tell within a couple of hours I will be able to talk without a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the bottom ones in for you guys. This is the pearl white, not the oh my goodness, there's a off-white, a pearl white, and a like a shiny white, the whitest. I did not bright white. I didn't go with bright white. I went with a more natural color because I was afraid, I'm dark complected. I was afraid that they were going to look false, but they don't. They look awesome. So let's do the bottom. So you have to click in. Right, I got to see what I'm doing, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a snap. This one not feel as comfortable, huh? Maybe I'm not positioning it right. Okay, that's good. Okay. So guys, this is what they look like. I like the look. I'm a person who is a perfectionist. I would not wear my top without my bottom. A lot of people say they wear one and they get one done. Not for me. Either I'm going to have it all in or out. I don't want my teeth being two different colors. It's too noticeable. It just makes it worse to me. But, you know, to each his own. If you want to wear one set, that's fine, but not me. Now, I'm actually going to keep these in for a little while and see how they do. I definitely don't know about eating with these guys. It's a plastic feel. So we have to take some practice. I may try something soft, but I just don't know how you would even bite and grasp food in these. So, I mean, that's going to be the downfall for me until I see how I work with them. I think I will take them out when I eat. I also don't want to eat things that are red, that will stain my teeth because that's the purpose of getting them. So we'll have to see. Anyway, this is them. I'm going to have to look at them a little more. The only thing that I'm noticing that I don't like as much, on the bottom, they seem to have a little rise across here. And it seems to sit a little too high for me. I don't want my teeth looking like horse's teeth. So if they don't work out right, I'm going to have them redo the bottom. But I'm going to give myself some time to get used to them. So I'm going to call my son in so I can get his reaction and see what they look like, guys. And then I'm also going to have him draw the name for the Amazon gift card giveaway. So give me a minute. He's here from school. So we get to get his reaction as well because he's never seen them on me. And he had been asking me when they were going to come in as well. Jonathan! Jonathan!
Ma'am?
Can you come in for just a moment?
Yeah.
I wanted to show you something.
What?
You notice anything different?
Oh, they came in. Oh, they look good.
You like them?
Mm-hmm. They look good.
How does the bottom look? Because I'm a little worried about the bottom.
Move cash. Let me see. Can't really tell. To me.
Doesn't look unnatural?
Mm-mm.
Okay, guys. So he seems to like them. I'm going to let my hubby and my mom check them out. But, yeah. So, stay there, son. I want you to do something for me.
Okay.
So, yeah. I think the veneers are worth it. I like them. If I figure out other tricks with them, I will give you guys updates. Let's go ahead and do this drawing. The drawing you had to It was from the date that I did that initial video for the Amazon gift card. You had to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. So the people that did that, thank you so much. Thank you to each and every one of you who are following my channel. I'm going to have a lot of different stuff coming up this year. It's going to be a lot of household organization stuff. I'll continue to do my business and share with you any great finds like these. So I love you guys. Thank you. I wish I could send everybody a gift card, but one day I'm going to be big enough to be able to do that. So let's jump in and draw the name. So son, I need you to pick a name.
Get down, guys. Get down.
Okay. So this goes to Shopaholic, and this person always, whoever it is, always comments on my videos. It's always been my biggest supporter, one of my biggest supporters. So I'm so grateful. So Shopaholic, thank you. I will be contacting you. I'm going to try to send you messages from my Instagram so I can get you your gift card. In case I can't, if I'm not able to contact this person within 2 weeks, I'm going to go ahead and draw a second person's name because I don't want to not do the gift card because you guys have been so great. So I'm going to draw one more person's name, but they will only get it if I'm not able to get in touch with the original winner. So this one is Real Life Mom 0F5. So if I'm not able to reach Shopaholic, Real Life Mom will get the gift card. Again, guys, thank you. I love you. If you can tell, my speech is getting better with my veneers already. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. There's a lot of content coming up. So guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time a video drops. I love you guys. See you next time.